Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today I'm going to show you a perfect example of how running your downspouts out can eliminate over 90% of all water issues, and it'll help fix and prevent any yards from being flooded to begin with. And it's very simple. You run the downspouts out, you see that right there, water collects in the gutters, rolls down, comes out, facilitates out of the pop-ups, and that way you're not screwing your neighbor and you're keeping your yard dry at the same time without sacrificing somebody else's yard, because hey, that's not very neighborly, right? So this is how it's done. Comes out to the pop-ups, which all have holes in the bottom of them, so that way when there's no more head pressure to push up, well, then the water can safely and easily drain back into the ground. And when it does pop up, you see it overflows and goes all the way back to this water basin drainage ditch behind the house. That's exactly how it's done. And here's a perfect example of how your downspouts work. You have the pop-up emitter, water comes up, comes out, and goes out, and depending on where you are, you either have to go to a street or a catch basin ditch. But as you can see, it is raining. Water collects on top of your house. All that roof runoff, you want to make sure is controlled. You don't want it dumping right next to your foundation, because then that's how you end up getting a flooded basement, a flooded crawl space, and your foundation starts to sink. So you don't want that at all.